There's a big ice cube in here.
No, you're doing great, Sammy. So
I don't know what to do now. It's broken.
Okay, well, Chef Summer, yep, pull that fat off. Where's your fat?
I don't know.
Well,
Maybe it's right here.
Well, wait,
right
I feel the ice too. Wait, I feel the ice. So dip it. But I felt the ice, so you can like.
Somewhere over here, I think. Oh yeah, the ice just fell out, I think.
You felt it.
It melted.
Well, what are you doing? What are you tell the world what you're doing? What are you doing right now? What are you cleaning?
Food.
Food? What kind of food, Chef Summer?
Oh my gosh, there's a bunch of ice in here. You can't take it out now.
You can. Where do you clean it? What are they called?
Wait, some of this. Oh, I thought this was fat.
Well,
and this is in the water. It looks like an egg. See?
Well, what is that in the water? What you got in the water?
Chitterlings.
Chillin'. So, what are you doing right now?
Oh my gosh.
Well, what are you doing? Chillin'. What are you pulling off?
The fat in the meat.
Okay. Good job. Is that the meat or the fat?
This is the fat.
Okay, well, put it somewhere. Over there. Yeah, put it over there. Put the fat over there. Okay.
This fat is actually not hard.
It's not hard.
That hard.
No, but you don't want to eat
So
it,
this
right?
one has been sitting for a long time.
Yeah, that one, because it's been taking a long
I
time.
got this one.
Oh, what do you got here? They look good.
Meat.
Some meat. They look good.
Some regular chitlins.
Some regular chitlins, girl. That looks good. And we're going to... So, guys, Chef Summer is doing chitlins. She's learning how to do this. And she's doing an amazing job. And,
we still haven't cut the hair off of one of the pig feet. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
You never took this pig feet off.
well, now, you better take it out. So we're going to have some big feet and
This
some...
one's still bleeding.
Okay, well, we'll
I just put
fix
them
it.
in here.
Okay.
Once we're done these, then we could do that.
Okay, well, worry
Look,
about...
I found the edge.
Oh, you found the edge? Let's see. Let's see. No, yeah, you found the edge. All right, so come on, let's peel it back. So, guys, Grammy's teaching Chef Summer how to do some what's this? Chicken girl?
No.
What is it?
This.
Some steak?
No.
What is it? There you
I
go.
forgot.
You forgot what this is?
It's porcupine.
Porcupine.
Wait, do people eat porcupines though?
I don't know. We might have to do what to find out.
Search the web.
Right, search the web. All right, so let's search the web to find out people eat porcupines. Did you find the edge? You did. You sure did.
Can't even take it off.
Okay.
I don't like.
You got it, girl. Yep, find the edge. Guys, it's Shaw. I love this baby. I do.
I'm not a baby.
No, snap. You're not a baby. We'll find that edge.
I think I just cut myself with some ice.
You ain't cut yourself with no ice, girl.
I just
Stop
it
it.
in the water because of the ice.
Okay, well.
How about this one? How come we can do this one?
Well, let's clean those chillins. Come on, let's find the edge.
I think I'm gonna do this one.
Okay. Well,
The edge is already there.
all right. Well, let's find the edge. Come on. If your mom comes in, oh, I see it right there. There you go. Come on. Because I'm working with one hand. Here, pull it. Right here. Yes, right there. Pull it. There you go. Pull it. Uh-huh. Oh, all right. Wait. Come here. Stop. Chef Summer, stop. Hold this with your hand. Come on. Right here. Put that fat on your hand. And then pull. Take your time. Pull this meat off. Pull it off. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Take your time. Yeah, take your time. Good job. Oh, wow.
And some of the fat's on my hand.
Well, wait. Look, you're pulling fat and meat, too. So, just separate it. Seriously. Don't rush. Don't rush. Come on. Here. It's right here. Oh, you right here. Put your hand back in here. You got it. There you go. Guys, it's hard for me to work with one hand.
Wait.
Okay, well then do it. Good job. Good job. Oh, good job, Chef Summer. Guys, I gotta go. I know you're doing amazing.
You don't have to go.
No, we don't have to go. But you don't want to go?
Wait, I want to feel this whole blob.
Well, that whole blob, is that fat or is it meat?
Meat. Oh my gosh, the blob is huge.
Oh man, are you talking to people right now?
Let's feel this blob.
Well, what's this blob?
It's very tiny.
Well, what is that blob?
The fat.
The fat.
The fatty.
The fat. Well, put it back. Look at you, messing up your...
Who cares? Chefs get dirty. No matter what, they still get dirty.
Oh. All right, nice.
Oh, I found the ledge.
All right, well, let me see if you found the ledge or not. So, hey, guys, it's Shonda. Yes, it is. And Chef Summer's learning how to do what? Clean what? Where are you cleaning?
Cleaning chitterlings.
Hey, chitterlings. Well, tell the world what you're doing.
Oh!
Well, find the edge.
This needs to just get undolled.
Yes. So, Grammy will break it open for you.
Tiddly water.
So, guys, there's 5
Okay,
pounds
now-
of chitlins here. And,
5!
5 pounds. Say
So
5.
that means like 5 of them.
5 pounds. That's a lot. So 5 pounds. How much
We
do
get
you?
to eat a lot.
How much do you weigh?
I weigh 50 pounds.
50 pounds. How much does Chef RJ weigh?
He weighs 30 pounds.
Okay. So these chitlins weigh 5 pounds.
Is this the ledge where I peel it?
Yes, it's the edge. The edge. Say edge.
Edge.
Yes.
But I said ledge.
You sure did. So let me
But
see.
I want to put water in here so it can so all the ice will run out.
You got ice in there?
Uh-huh.
Okay. All right. So let's see.
Need some cold water too.
Oh, you got plenty of cold water. Come on, let's find the edge.
I'm
So
just standing up right now.
So guys, it's Shonda. Yes, it is. I'm here with Chef Summer, who doesn't want to let me go. And she don't want to let you go either. And she asks, is this fat here, girl? Chef Summer, is this fat? Your fat?
Yeah.
This is your fat?
No.
Well, what is this? Can you please tell everybody? What are you doing? Say hello, world.
Chitlins.
Well, say hello, world.
Hello.
Hello, world. What's that?
Some more I found in the water.
Is it fat?
Yeah. No.
Is it fat?
No.
It don't look like fat.
Look,
Look
I'm
like...
just ripping them apart.
Oh, good Lord. Don't just rip them apart. Separate them. Take the fat and the meat.
They're fine. Look. See? Can you put more warm water in here? Because now it's cold.
A little bit because we don't want to do what?
We don't want to burn the food.
You don't want to burn the food. You don't want to do what else to the food?
Cook it.
Right, you don't want to cook it. So cold water is good for the pork, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pork.
That's pork.
Who you calling pork?
That's
A
pork.
porcupine.
Come on.
Porky.
You ready? What are you doing? Did you find the
No, I did earlier, but now I can't.
You didn't find
Why'd
it?
you get?
You didn't find the edge? Come on, let's find the edge. Come on. Come on.
Jesus, you taking it from my hand.
Hey guys, it's
I
Sean.
think
Yes,
it's
it
right
is.
here.
Chef Summer is definitely. How old are you, girl?
8.
Oh, 8. Come on. All right, say goodbye, world.
No.
All right, well, come on. Let's.
Okay, let's finish this.
All right, well,
But
stop playing. Tell them what you're working with. Say hello, world.
Hello, well.
And you are who?
Chef Summer.
Chef who?
Chef Summer.
And what are you doing? Please tell them real fast. Come on.
Cooking some chitterlings.
Are you cooking or are you cleaning them?
I'm cooking.
You cooking.
I'm cleaning them right now.
You are cleaning right now. And so what are we looking for? Let's clean them.
Chitlin juice. Chitlin soup. You want some?
Girl, let's find it. Let's get the fat off.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, get
Is this the edge?
Guys, I'll let her play. I do. I so do.
Is this the edge?
Yes. All right, this is the edge. Yes. So let's peel it.
Ow!
Pull it back. Pull the fat off. Pull it. I'll hold it. You pull it.
What fat?
Pull it. Right there. I got the edge.
Which one in your hand?
Yep. Pull it. Pull it
This?
back. Yep. Pull it back. You got it, girl. Girl, you got it. You got it, sister. Good job.
How come you can't peel it just anywhere?
Because you got to peel all that fat off. You got it. Look at you. I'm going to hold it. Guys, it's really hard when I'm working with Chef Summer and Chef RJ. And, there you go. Good job. Pull all that, girl. Pull that fat.
Hold it.
Okay, well, hold it. And pull it off. Get all that fat. Good job. Take your time. Wait. Roll this in this hand. Roll it up. Get the meat. Put the meat. Good job.
And there's more meat.
Right, there's more meat. So let's get the rest of the meat out. All right.
We'll be right back. Deuces, I'm joking.
And when? We'll be back when?
In 15 minutes.
In 15 minutes. So, guys, Chef Summer just said we'll be back in 15 minutes. That means that Grammy has to help her. And we'll be back
Ouch!
in 15 minutes.
I just
Yep, I got her.